Listen up, money warriors. Today we are tackling the battle that is draining your wallet. I'll be showing you how you can slash those car insurance rates in half. So buckle up and get ready for some serious savings. You might not realize it, but you could potentially be throwing hundreds of dollars into the garbage for no reason when it comes to your car insurance bill. So in today's video, I will be sharing some amazing tips that you can take advantage of right now in order to save some money. Let's jump straight into it. First rule of the game is do not settle. That is the worst thing that you can do. You gotta shop around like a pro. Different insurance companies offer different coverages and they have different deals. It is your job to find the best deal for you. Like I said plenty of times before, when it comes to car insurance, it is not one shoe fits all. One company might give your best friend the best deal possible, but you might get a quote from that exact company and you might be paying way more than what you are currently paying. Different companies have different prices and deals. An awesome website that I personally use to get the best deal on car insurance, I left it in the description box below. All you gotta do is answer a couple of questions, put in the type of vehicle that you drive, and it will automatically compare rates from the top and the best insurance companies in your area. So make sure you check it out. Second tip, play the field. Just like in life, sometimes loyalty does not pay off. Simply shopping around and switching your insurance company could potentially save you hundreds of dollars every single month. It is time to break free, break those chains, and see what kind of deal you can get somewhere else. Tip number 3 is to bundle up.